Hi, second grade. Welcome back. You should have a couple of things out in front of you. The first thing that you should have out in front of you are your fact cards. Yours might be mixed up. They might have addition and subtraction. We're only worried right now about the addition cards. So take a second and go through yours and make sure that you only have addition cards in your stack. You can pause the video to do that. You'll also want to get the two envelopes that were sent. We're going to do something with those two as well. So go ahead and pause the video if you need to and make sure that you have everything that you need to get started. So a lot of times you will hear people talk about that important work in second grade is learning your addition facts and your subtraction facts. And they are correct. There are basic math facts. And what people mean when they say that are problems like what we've been solving when we play games like 5 in a row. And like the activities in number strings, when you have numbers that you have to add together. And soon you'll know that not only will those problems involve addition, but they'll also involve subtraction. So one part of knowing the facts is knowing the answer to the fact very quickly. And once you know them, you shouldn't have to stop and figure them out. So that's how you'll know when you know your facts. If you can look at the fact and very quickly say the answer and you don't have to stop and count, then you know that fact. So another important part of knowing the fact is to know something about the numbers that you're adding or subtracting. So that means you're going to have a picture in your head of how big these numbers are or an idea about what the numbers mean. So take a second and look through the cards in front of you. Almost all the cards have two facts on them. But there are some cards that only have one fact. So what I want you to do right now is sort your cards into two categories. Cards that have two facts, like these, and cards that only have one fact. So I want you to pause the video and sort those cards out. So you should have just finished sorting out your cards. You should have two piles. One pile has facts that have two facts on them, like this one, and the other pile should have cards that only have one fact on them. I'm going to very quickly tape these up, and I want you to see if you have the same cards out that I do that only have one fact. I see 10 plus 10, 8 plus 8, 6 plus 6, 1 plus 1, 4 plus 4, 9 plus 9, 7 plus 7, 5 plus 5, I know you all are probably not going to be able to see when I get down to the bottom, and that's okay, 3 plus 3, and 2 plus 2. So make sure you pulled those out. So if you notice on my list, none of these have two facts on them. They all only have one fact. So these facts are called something. 10 plus 10, 8 plus 8, 6 plus 6, 1 plus 1. What are these? Absolutely. These are our doubles. Doubles. And that's why our doubles only have one fact. Because you wouldn't write 10 plus 10 and then 10 plus 10 as a second fact. It's the same thing. So these are our doubles. When we double, it means we add the same number to itself. So 4 plus 4 is 8. So if you notice this little line down on the bottom that says clue, this is not a place for you to write the answer. This is a place for you to give yourself a clue that helps you very quickly solve this problem. So I might know that 4 plus 4 is 8. That might be something that I know really quickly. But I might not know 8 plus 8 quickly. So my clue might be 4 plus 4, 4 plus 4, to help me figure that out. Because I know 4 plus 4 equals 8 and 4 plus 4 equals 8, so that might help me figure it out that 8 plus 8 equals 16. So these are our doubles. And our doubles, like I said, have the same fact on them. 6 plus 6, 5 plus 5, 9 plus 9. These are our doubles. So another type of fact that you have in your stack are called plus 1. Any number plus 1 is a plus 1 fact. So 1 plus any number is a plus 1 fact. Any number plus 1 is a plus 1 fact. So you can see down here, 0 plus 1 equals 1, 1 plus 0 equals 1. Now I like how they've used the two different colors here. You can see that 1 plus 1 equals 2, 1 plus 1 equals 2. Wouldn't that be doubles too? 2 plus 1 equals 3, or you can go the other way around. 1 plus 2 equals 3. So what I want you to do is go through your cards now and see if you can find the cards that are plus 1 facts. Plus 1 facts. So pause the video and see if you can find the plus 1 facts. All right, you should have sorted out all your plus 1 facts. And while you were sorting, I did one too. And I found all the plus 1 facts. And I put them here. So yours may be in a different order. 1 plus 9, 9 plus 1. 1 plus 10, 10 plus 1. 1 plus 2, 2 plus 1. 1 plus 4, 4 plus 1. 1 plus 6, 6 plus 1. 1 plus 8, 8 plus 1. 1 plus 5, 5 plus 1. 1 plus 7, 7 plus 1. And 1 plus 3, 3 plus 1. So these are plus 1s. We're adding 1. So let's look at this card right here in the middle. 1 plus 6 equals 7. 6 plus 1 equals 7. Absolutely, they both equal 7. So we didn't need two different fact cards because 1 plus 6 is the same thing as 6 plus 1. So now let's look at another pattern that you might find, and these are plus 2 cards. So any number plus 2 is a plus 2 fact. So is 2 plus any number. So here are all the 2 plus facts that you're going to be working on. Let's go down to this one here. Oops, maybe it won't let me click. Okay, that's okay. 3 plus 2 equals 5. You can see the 3 plus the 2 equals 5. But look what it is when I turn it the other way around. 2 plus 3 also equals 5. Absolutely. Let's look at another plus 2. 6 plus 2 equals 8. Or I can look at it the other way. 2 plus 6 equals 8. So what I want you to do now is pause the video, and now I want you to pull out all your plus 2 facts that you have. All right, you should have pulled out all your plus 2 fact cards. I pulled out all of mine, and they are over here. A little hard to see, but I will rattle them off for you. I have 2 plus 9, 9 plus 2. 2 plus 8, 8 plus 2. 2 plus 3, 3 plus 2. 2 plus 10, 10 plus 2. 2 plus 7, 7 plus 2. 2 plus 5, 5 plus 2. 2 plus 6, 6 plus 2. 2 plus 4, and 4 plus 2. So these are my plus 2 cards, adding 2. So let's look at this one right here. 2 plus 7 equals 9. 7 plus 2 equals 9. Good. So if you know 2 plus 7, you also know 7 plus 2. So there's one more category that we're going to look at today, and it's these here. Make 10. Two numbers that add together to make 10 are a make 10 fact. And you should know most of these from first grade. Let's look at this one here. 3 plus 7 equals 10. So we could say also 7 plus 3 equals 10. 8 plus 2 equals 10. So 2 plus 8 equals 10. So what I want you to do now is pause me, and I want you to pull out all the facts that make 10 in your cards. Great, so you should have pulled out all your cards now that are make 10 facts. And since I have mine taped up here, I only found 2 make 10 facts that weren't already in another category. I found 4 plus 6 and 6 plus 4, 3 plus 7 and 7 plus 3. So if 3 plus 7 equals 10, good. Then 7 plus 3 also equals 10. Now, I will tell you that I had 4 cards. 3 plus 4, 4 plus 3. 3 plus 6, 6 plus 3. 3 plus 5, 5 plus 3. And 4 plus 5, 5 plus 4 that didn't fit doubles plus 1 plus 2 or make 10. That's okay. That's okay. I'm still going to learn them. So these are some categories that you have when you can think of practicing your facts. So here's what you're going to do next. You have 2 envelopes, and I'm going to have you write something on each of the envelopes. You're going to label one of your envelopes, Facts I Know. Facts I Know. Go ahead and write that on your first envelope. Pause the video and unpause it when you're done. On your second envelope, you're going to write Facts I Am Still Working On. So Facts I Know, Facts I Am Still Working On. So what you're going to do when you practice your facts is you're going to go through your cards and you're going to sort them into 2 categories. Facts I know, facts I'm still working on. And I want to go back to what we said at the beginning. If you know a fact, you can look at the card and you know it right away. You don't have to count on your fingers. You don't have to use a number line or a 100 chart or sit and figure it out. If you have to do one of those things, that's okay. It goes in facts I'm still working on. This doesn't say facts I don't know. This says facts I'm still working on. And we're all a work in progress, and we can all get better. So you're going to have some that are in the facts I'm still working on pile, and that is perfectly fine. So this is what you're going to do next. You're going to sort your cards into your 2 envelopes, facts I know and facts I'm still working on.